Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Travel Vibe, your go-to channel for all things travel and adventure. I'm your host, your name, and today, we're diving into the enchanting world of Iceland, where nature truly becomes art. Get ready to be captivated by the stunning landscapes, awe-inspiring waterfalls, and otherworldly sights this magical country has to offer. Let's go. Our adventure begins at the world-famous Blue Lagoon, a geothermal spa nestled in a lava field. Imagine soaking in warm, milky blue mineral-rich waters as steam rises around you, creating a truly ethereal experience. It's the perfect place to relax and rejuvenate after a long day of exploring. Now, let's hit the road and explore Iceland's Golden Circle. This popular route takes us through a whirlwind of natural wonders. First up, the mighty Gullfoss waterfall. Prepare to be mesmerized as you witness the raw power of water cascading down into a rugged canyon. It's truly a sight to behold. Next on our Golden Circle adventure is the Geyser geothermal area. Here, we witness nature's own spectacular show as hot springs shoot boiling water high into the air. Keep your camera ready because capturing the perfect shot of an eruption is a thrilling experience. Now, let's head to Iceland's stunning black sand beaches. Rianistra Beach is a place of wonder, with its towering basalt columns and the crashing waves of the North Atlantic Ocean. Take a leisurely stroll, feel the sand between your toes, and let the beauty of nature wash over you. Ah, the Northern Lights, a true celestial masterpiece. Iceland is one of the best places on Earth to witness this mesmerizing phenomenon. Imagine standing under a sky illuminated with vibrant hues of green, pink, and purple. It's a moment that will stay etched in your memory forever. Our adventure wouldn't be complete without exploring Iceland's majestic glaciers. Strap on your crampons and embark on a thrilling glacier hike. Feel the crunch of fresh snow under your boots and marvel at the shimmering ice formations. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience that will leave you in awe of Mother Nature's power. Well, fellow adventurers, that concludes our incredible journey through Iceland's natural wonders. From the soothing Blue Lagoon to the awe-inspiring Golden Circle and the magical Northern Lights, Iceland truly is a paradise for nature lovers. I hope this video has inspired you to add Iceland to your travel bucket list. Remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join us on more exciting travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep seeking new experiences, and always remember that nature is the greatest artist of all.